Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts at home with bread. First, gather your simple ingredients like sliced bread, sugar, and cooking oil. Next, use a round cookie cutter or the rim of a glass to cut circles from each slice of bread. Then, use a smaller cutter, like a bottle cap, to create the classic donut hole in the center of each bread circle. This easy method makes delicious treats quickly. Now it's time to fry our bread donuts. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few of your bread donut shapes into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This quick frying process gives them a lovely crispy texture. Once your donuts are fried, it's time for the fun part, glazing. You can make a simple glaze by mixing powdered sugar with a little milk and a dash of vanilla extract. While the donuts are still warm, dip them into your glaze, ensuring they are fully coated. For extra flavor, try rolling them in cinnamon sugar or drizzling with chocolate frosting. Get creative with your toppings. After glazing, allow your delicious bread donuts to set for just a few minutes. These homemade treats are truly best when enjoyed fresh and warm, perhaps with a cup of coffee or tea. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and tasty for up to 2 days, ready for another delightful snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.